Hi everyone, welcome to the Prince of Technical channel. In our YouTube series, today I am going to explain you about how to create the multi-window Tkinter applications. So in this class, I am going to explain you about how to create one Tkinter window. In that window, I will create the two buttons. One is registration, one is login. When I click on registration, one more window we are going to open where we will have the registration details. And second button, when I click, it is going to open the login page. So basically in the first part, I am going to show you that how to create the multiple windows and how to divert when we click on the button, how to divert our cursor to the next window. So let us start with the videos. I hope you are having the basic knowledge on the Tkinter. If you don't have, you can just watch my previous video so you will get the more clarity. So as you know that when we are using the Tkinter, we must have to import from Tkinter import star. One thing you remember, whenever we are working with a multiple window, we need the help of class and object concepts. Because when we are passing our data from one window to another, we will use the class method to take the details from one window to another. So here I am going to use about the class and object. So first, if you want to create a first window, you need to create the object of tk class, as you know that. So I will create the tkinter class object, and whenever we open something we must close it. So this is nothing but main loop. So what will happen, your window is going to create, but my requirement is I do not want the single window, I want to create a multiple window. So as I told you, I am going to take the help of class. So I will create one class which will have the registration reg login details. So I am giving the name of my class is registration login details. This is my class name. In this class I am going to create one constructor which will take a parameter called the root. You can give any parameter name. So why I am going to create this init? Because whenever I start my program, immediately one window should open, and that window will have these two buttons. As you are aware, in my class when I create the constructor will be called automatically when we create the object. So how to create the object of a class? So I will create here rl, nothing but registration login is equals to reg log details. In that I will pass the root. So here root is my tkinter object which I am going to pass in the init method, nothing but constructor. So with the help of this I am going to create my first window. So make sure guys, when I create the object, immediately it will call this constructor. So whatever it is there in this constructor, it will be executed. So to execute this, I will create one object self.root is equals to root. Okay, so my object is created for the class. What is the next thing? Sir, I want to close this self.main loop. What I will write self dot, okay, here one extra o came, I will just remove it. Self dot root dot main loop. Okay. So what happens? Whatever my window is there, that is open and closed, just I will execute this, whether it is working fine or not, I will just check it. So see, perfectly fine, my one window is going to open here. So what we need to do, our next step is what? Sir, in my window I need to create the two buttons. So to create the two buttons, we must have some like window size should be big, and we need to give some look and feel to my window. So how to give it, then one by one we will see it. So first, by default here right now my title is tk, but I want to create here the title. So I will write self dot root dot title. So I am going to create the title for my window. So what is the title you are looking for your window? So I will write here home page, because see here, what is the meaning of this home page? When I am going to open this window, in this title I want as home page here. So I will just take here in my diagram also home page. So my title will be what? Home page. So it is done. So right now the background color is coming by default. It is taking some color. So I don't want that color. I want to give my own color. So I will write root dot config and bg is equals to some color you can define. Let us say I want to give here blue color. You have choice, whatever color you like, you can just take it. Afterwards, what we need to do is, we need to select, because my window was coming in a very small size. So I want to change that window size to whatever my requirement. Let us say self dot root dot geometry. So what is my size I want? Minimum I want is like 400 by, okay, let's just take 400 by, this is actually guys X, some student gets lot of confusion here. 400 by 400 I will take the size. Okay, and let us check whether working everything is fine or not. So see, perfectly we are getting one window. My home page size is this and everything working fine here. Now the next thing, what we need to create the labels on my window. Labels is nothing but instead of label, because I did not give any label here, directly I created two buttons. So let us create the two buttons directly into this one. How to create? So we'll write b1 is equals to button in bracket. My button where I want to place, I want to place on self.root. So nothing but self.root. Self.root is nothing but, this window name is nothing but root right now. We can consider in this way. So self.root when I write, so it will, that window is there, it will go my button there. So what is the button text you want? My button text I want register. So what will happen? My button text will come as register. Okay. So after that, what we are looking for after the text, one more very important thing is there, command. Command is equals to, I will write here window 1, or instead of window 1 I will give here register. What I am giving? Register. It means when I click on this register button, my register window should open. So what we need to do here, you have to create one more method. Your method name should be register guys. Make sure whatever name you are giving, this name and this name should match. So here what will happen, one window will open, but right now I will write pass. Pass is nothing but empty. I will write the logic into this one. Very soon I am going to write, and this method we have to write self, because always remember this is an object level method, and object level method with called with respect to self. Now b1 dot place, and x-axis I want to give. What is the meaning of x-axis? Those who are totally new into this one, you have to remember x-axis is nothing but from this side, if you assume that this distance we call it x-axis, and from the top to here we call it this distance as the y-axis. So here I wanna x-axis should be around 100 and y-axis I will take it as around 70. Anything like however you want you can take it. This is my button number 1. Sir, whether my button is coming fine or not, just I will cross check it. Yes, my register button is coming. Next, sir, I want to create some font or something. That is also we can add it. So already I think morning and evening batch student, I gave that codes and all. You can just go through it. You will get it very easily. Okay. So now we'll create the button number 2. So button is equals to button in bracket I will write self dot root, means on the same window I want this. Text is equals to, now I want login, and I want command, nothing but when I click it should go to self.login page. So what we need to do, we need to create one more def, and my page name should be login this time. Make sure that your page name should be login. So what will happen, your login page will be open now, and here what we need to give, pass. Why? Because when I click, nothing should happen. So again, when it is created, what we need to do, we need to place it. How to place? B2 dot place, x-axis should be 100 only, and y-axis should increment, because here it is 70. So right now what should be? So obviously this should be increased more than this. So I will make it as 120, or as per your requirement, you can just wherever you want you can take it. But actually this window is looking very big, so I want to make it more look and feel to this one. So what I will do is, window size I will make it as 200 by 200, just to get more look and feel to the window. Okay, so yeah, it's looking good. Because, and guys, x-axis, padding and all this, already we discussed those stuff. So if you want, you can give that padding and all also to the your window. Okay, so already you are aware how to give the pad. If you want to give, some people, if you are not aware, I can just add here the code. Pad x is equals to around 10, and pad y is equals to around 10. So what is the meaning? I will just execute this. See, my button size is increased, nothing but x-axis and y-axis should increase by 10. So those who are not aware of this, just they can add this code, because many students, all my YouTube viewers will watch this, so might be they are not aware. So I'm just giving the extra code for them. Okay, so you can add the button, like if you want little bigger buttons or something. Let us say you want to make it x-axis more here, because this is having some little less text, so you can make it that also, so that, see, this button size more increase. You want to make it more properly, let us say I think 15 will give the balance in both sides. Okay, like this. So you can just give the more look and feel, guys, as per your requirement. So okay, so this button is clear. But now when I click, nothing is happening. Why? Because I did not write any code into my functions. So when I click register, what, as per my requirement, what should happen? This window and this window should open. So in this window right now nothing is there. So what I will create here one more. I will write here, let us say cell window 1, or I can say register window. What is my name? Register window, WIND. And guys, this name could be anything, not necessary. Some people says that, sir, in some books they have given as root and some Windows 1 and Windows 2. It is not necessary. I never prefer those kinds of coding which is traditional, like everybody is following the same thing. You can take your own name, because it is your application finally. And then this registration is open, and dot, what is the next, please? Main loop, because we need to open and we need to close. And as I told you, what is the title I want here? Registration, and for this I want login. So I will take it, these two things. Already you know title means what? I will write register window dot title. So what is the title you want to print? Registration. So registration will be my title here. And you want any specific color code and window size, you can just change it. So I will write, no need to write cell, because I did not use cell. Guys, when to use the cell, that is also I will tell you when I will make the complete application, because I am going to give you the complete layout step by step, part 1, part 2 and part 3 with database connectivity. I will explain you. So register window, after that what we need to do, in this window I need to set the geometry. Geometry is nothing but what is the size you want. So I will take it 400 by 400, because here I am going to write a lot of code, so I will take little bigger window only. And then finally we need to set the background color also. So background, we have to write config, and bg is equals to whatever color. Let us say we want yellow color, so you can take it yellow color. Generally guys, it will work as a HTML color code also. If you can take very beautiful color code from the window, that is also I will tell you, don't worry about that. So this is nothing but window 1 is created. So after clicking, is it opening or not? Just we'll see it. So when I click on register, see one more window is opening, and my name is here registration. I hope we are very clear with this. So let us go with the last concept now, registration login. So in this one I will create login window is equals to, again I will create tk, that is but one more window I need. Again, login window, first we have to close it, so we should write main loop. Inside that I need to create title, so I will write login window title. What title you want? Login page. So, or just if you want login, you can take it login as a title, login page. This name could be anything guys, as per your requirement. And the final thing, login point, geometry, what is the size you are looking for. So I am on the same site, so I will take it 400 by 400, and the final will be the geometry, and after that config, nothing but whatever the color you are looking for, you can give that color. Because I give there yellow, I will take it as bg is equals to yellow only. I will tell you like many colors we can set as per our requirement, but just this is a basic diagram which we have shown. Login, when I click, login is opening, done. When I click register, register opening. So it means what? Your code is working perfectly fine. I hope you are very clear up to here how to create the multiple windows. So once you just practice up to here guys, so that what will happen in the next window, I'm going to tell you how to add the complete code of registration and login, so that you will get more clarity on this one. So you just practice this part 1, and then I will go with the part 2 also. So I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channel for more video. Thank you for watching this video guys.